Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for this opportunity and I'm the CEO and owner of Crustea, advancing the future of the watch in your hand. Around 90% of pond farmers in Indonesia have the same problems. The first is about high percentage of shrimp death because uncontrollable dissolved oxygen level or DO. Many shrimps in the ponds need DO to live and grow. Without DO, the shrimps will be dead. It's very sad. And the second one is high fuel operating costs. Many shrimp farmers in Indonesia have expenses till 100 million per month. It's very high. At the same time, Indonesia has target for shrimp export till 250% in 2024. Indonesia needs more cultivation of shrimps, increasing till 8.5% per year. So we must solve this problem to increase the pond farmers' productivity. We have the solution: Aerator, eco-friendly aeration technology to increase the pond farmers' productivity till 200% shrimp bigger, reducing the operational cost till 19%, and also can reduce the greenhouse gas till 2,000 ton carbon dioxide. We have the potential market size. In Indonesia, the total available market is 284,000 pond farmers, and we will target it in East Java till 21,000, and for the first year, we will target it in 70 pond farmers. Currently, we have 3 early adopters in Surabaya, Crustea, and Lamongan, less than 1 month. This is our potential market growth. It's increased year by year. Surely, we will build partnership for market activation with the shrimp farmers community. Is the Shrimp Club Indonesia as the biggest shrimp farmers community. We will get the revenue from direct sale and cash and leasing, rent, and also pass to the channel, distributor, government, fintech, marketplace, and the others. Our innovation is greater than others because we have innovative color that can produce more dissolved oxygen level, and also smart IoT that can monitor and control the pond quality easily. And also we have long product lifetime, and we are eco-friendly product that using photovoltaic as the resources. We did the product development, and now we will focus on promotion or market expansion. Our business is feasible to be expanded, so we are looking for investors to fund and collaborate with us to do market expansion, product development, operational, and team development. This is our team and advisor that have experience in technology and business that will contribute to our startup. We got the positive feedback from our early adopters sectors. It's very satisfied with our innovation. Okay everyone, thank you. Let's collaborate with us. Have a nice day.